This is my bike check. Start off, I have a 2011 Verde Eon frame. I taped it off because of my brake lever. I have I have three-piece chromoly cranks with sealed mid-bottom bracket, 25 tooth chain wheel or sprocket, 14 millimeter semi-sealed cassette with 9-tooth driver, my bad. I have an Alienation grip slider pivotal seat with, you can't see it, but an animal seat post. Gotta show the love for boobies. And then that's just some other bracelet I have the U-brake mounts. I have Haro pegs in the front. PC pedals, stock. They're really nice and they're strong. I have Haro pegs in the back. The hub guard. Switching to the other side. I have Verde stem. I have stock bars, 26 width. I have DK Suka grips. You already see that. I have Verde tires. I think I'm gonna get the Fit FAFs. And then I have a KMC silver half link and purchased at Gordy's Bicycle Shop. I think that's about it. So subscribe and